So actually we have received the information to the internet protocol of your computer that the computer which you're using has been affected with some unwanted junk files. Alright?
Okay.
Now that's the reason I'm calling you today, sir, because we are a service provider for all Windows operating systems.
Oh, okay, yep.
These malicious files which your computer contains has come into your computer while browsing onto the internet. Okay.
Okay, yeah, that's not good, is it?
So if you could just go ahead and turn on the computer first, I will show you where these unwanted junk files are.
Okay, I'll push the start button.
Just let me know when you turn on the computer first, okay?
Okay, I've pushed the start button.
Do you see the front page?
Yep, the start button's there.
Is the computer on?
Yep, the computer's on. I've got the computer.
Start menu?
Yep, what was that? What do I need to do?
In the start menu, you need to give a left click on start menu.
Okay, so I need to go to the start button.
Not the start button, the start menu.
Start menu. Okay, start menu.
Left click on start menu.
Okay, push the start menu.
After giving a left click on start menu,
That's the start button, eh? That's the button that starts. Start button.
do you see the start menu? Give a left click on it.
Okay, I've got the start button.
After giving a start, can you see the start computer?
Yeah, the start button.
Now after start button,
Yeah, the start button.
after the start button.
Yeah, the start button.
Yes, after the start button.
Yeah, the start button.
Yes, right.